Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the value of x in each diagram here. So as we look at part A, the very first question you need to ask yourself is, how many sides does this figure has? A, B, C, D, four-sided figure. And straight away, by applying what we know for a four-sided quadrilateral, the interior angle adds up to 360 degrees. That is the property of a four-sided figure quadrilateral. And so for part A, all we have to do is simply x is simply then 360 minus my 65 minus my 61 and minus the 130. So this is x. I just need to minus away these three angles since they add up to 360. And the reason for this is because this will give me a value of 104, and of course, why do we use 360 degree? Because it is the angle sum of a quadrilateral. Quad for short. For part B, we do need to again remember what's the first question you need to ask yourself? Yes, how many sides does this polygon has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And therefore, the very first step here would then be is to find the sum of interior angles for this polygon. Since I know it's 5 side, 5 minus 2 times 180 degree. This will give me 554 degrees. And now I know already. Yeah. For this x, I just need to know that the interior angles add up to 540 degree, meaning that in order to find my x, I am going to use my 540 minus away my 116, 112, 125, and 79. To give me the final value of 108. Notice that when I present my answer for value of x, I do not put a degrees unit because, or symbol, because we are talking about a value of x and not angle EDC. Okay, there's a difference, alright? With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.